We happy? Vincent, we happy?
Yeah, we happy.
Hey, what's going on, Weavers? In case you're looking for some last-minute Christmas gifts for the paracordist in your life, just wanted to let you know we've added a new paracord combo kit on the site, in addition to what we've already got up there, as well as the Christmas bundle. These kits come with everything you'll need for a particular project, which includes pre-cut lengths of paracord and any buckles or hardware that's needed. Also, on the front of every kit, there's a QR code that you just scan with your phone, and you'll be then taken to the how-to video for that particular project, courtesy of yours truly. Now, what's great about these kits is that they take all the guesswork out of starting a project. So you won't need to figure out the color scheme or the amounts of cord needed, and these are great for introducing a friend or family member to our great hobby because you can just hand them the kit and they can get started right away. And that means a hassle-free Christmas shopping experience for you, so that you have more time to spend doing fun stuff, like making paracord ornaments. Now, that all being said though, I know some of you awesome people that have been with me or the community for a while now have plenty of cord and hardware already. So of course, feel free to put your own kit together and then direct the receiver to one of my videos or any paracord video for that matter. These kits are just an option we wanted to make available to make things easier for you if you don't have the time or just wanted something a bit more convenient. As of right now, for bracelets, we have the Slats Rescue Belt and Zipper Sinnet. These kits come with enough cord for 3 bracelets, by the way. And then my own original arrangement, the ever-popular Phalanx Paracord Bracelet.
But wait! There's more!
We've also just added a combo kit of the Swiss Army knife belt pouch and water bottle holder. 2 really great projects that at the same time are super practical and useful. Also, for this Christmas and holiday season, we've put together a holiday beginner kit, which comes with some Christmas-themed paracord, a pro paracord jig, paracord winder, and some hardware. So if you're looking for some gifts for the budding paracordist in your life, or if you yourself are just getting into this hobby, feel free to check out what we've got over at paracordweavers.com, links in the description box, and I thank you for even considering.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.